Now, the breaking news, and we knew it was happening. Now it has happened.
Appears to be in a strong position to land the Manchester United job on a permanent basis. We reported yesterday that the club are yet to speak to other candidates, and qualifying for the Champions League will strengthen Carrick's case even further. Right, Rob, do you expect Carrick to be manager next season?
I don't expect him to be manager, but I expect that they will have the conversation with him about becoming manager, because I think that when they appointed Michael Carrick, they appointed him based on, of course, he understands the football club. He is a very good manager in himself. His style of football is very good. We saw that at Middlesbrough. But I think they expected him to keep it steady and do a decent job. But I actually don't think Manchester United expected Michael Carrick to do this kind of job.
So does that mean they should give him the job, or stick to their guns and say this was always going to be short term?
Just head coach, and how does it feel to be sat in that chair today?
Very two different roles. Sat in this chair in front of you lot's very different to the role in coaching. Yeah, listen, it's fantastic to be here. It's a great feeling for me to be in this position. You know, I think played different roles for this club and learned to fall in love with the club for so long, and it's a massive part of my life and has been for so long. And so I'm fully aware of the position I'm in, you know, in so many different ways. So as well as that, I'm eager to succeed. You know, we've got a big job to do. It's an important job, and it always is here to win games and to play well and to do it in a certain way. So there's one side of it is nice to be here, but the other side of it is focus, concentration, and a real drive to improve the team and improve the results.
Hi, Michael. What does success look like then? Is it Champions League qualification? Is that what success will be?
Yeah, I think improvement. You know, I think certainly improvement and helping improve individuals. I think a big part of what I really enjoy is improving individuals, and in the end, I think if you improve the individuals, you know, we create a better team. So certainly working with the players and improving them with that, I think. And yeah, listen, results. You know, that's what it is. There's an element of performance, there's an element of improvement, and there's an element of doing what it takes to win in certain ways, in certain occasions. So.
Carrick returns to save Manchester United. Red Devils enter a brand new era under club legend. Manchester United have officially entered a completely new era, after confirming club legend Michael Carrick as the permanent manager on a 4-year contract. The announcement has instantly sent waves of excitement throughout the football world, with supporters believing the former midfield maestro could finally restore the identity, passion, discipline, and winning mentality that once made United the most feared club in Europe. After years of instability, disappointing results, and managerial changes, fans are now hoping Carrick can lead the club back to glory at Old Trafford. Carrick's appointment is being viewed as more than just another managerial change. For many supporters, this represents a return to the traditional Manchester United philosophy built around attacking football, trust in young talent, and strong leadership inside the dressing room. Having spent over a decade at the club as a player, Carrick understands the expectations, pressure, and culture better than most managers in world football. The former England international earned enormous respect during his playing career for his intelligence, calmness under pressure, and ability to control matches from midfield. Those same qualities are now expected to shape his managerial approach, as he begins one of the biggest challenges in football. Reports suggest Carrick has already held important discussions regarding transfers, squad discipline, tactical identity, and long-term rebuilding plans aimed at restoring Manchester United to the top of English and European football. Fans across social media have reacted with massive excitement, with many calling this the beginning of a new dynasty at Old Trafford. The emotional connection between Carrick and the supporters has already created optimism that the club can finally move in the right direction after several difficult seasons. Former players and football pundits have also praised the decision, believing Carrick's understanding of the club could be the key to rebuilding stability and unity within the squad. The pressure, however, will be enormous. Expectations at Manchester United are always sky high, and supporters will demand immediate progress both domestically and in Europe. Carrick will need to handle major personalities, improve consistency, and deliver a style of football worthy of the club's historic reputation. Yet many believe his calm personality, tactical intelligence, and deep connection to United give him a real chance to succeed where others have struggled. With a new vision now officially underway, Old Trafford is once again filled with hope, belief, and anticipation. The Carrick era has officially begun, and football fans around the world will be watching every single step.